Right now, the Biotech sentiment score is sitting at a notable plus 0.59, with momentum at plus 0.44. This is a significant spike compared to the historical baseline, indicating a sudden surge in positive sentiment across 20 semantic clusters. What does this mean for you? Our API returns a comprehensive sentiment analysis that includes key insights and trends, allowing you to identify and act on emerging opportunities in the biotech sector. For instance, if you're tracking investment strategies, this uptick in sentiment could signal a favorable environment for biotech stocks, giving you a data-driven edge in your analysis and decision-making. To leverage these insights and integrate our sentiment data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.